It's very light and it has three, or I think five levels of brightness. It's so bright you can clip it anywhere. You can clip it in the books, and you can swivel the 360. Or this also can swivel like this, and it holds a good charge.
I mean, look at how bright this little booger is, and I mean, yeah, it's very light, and it has different shades. The battery light, I haven't charged this thing in over a month. You hold it and it goes to just different shades of light, like a yellowish, a blue, a luminescence, which I like that one right there. You click it off, 1, 2, 3. It's very good light for reading. And I like how it also can fold here easily and up here to pretty much go anywhere where you need the light to go. And it's not just good for books, so I highly recommend it.
So here's the light. The button's right here. And you don't even have to have it attached to your book. So what I've done is attached it to my little lamp that I have next to my bed. I'll take a book, I'll set it right here, and then I'll just, turn this over here. The light will be off, so this shines way brighter than what it seems like it is right now. I mean, still to me, that's pretty bright. I actually left it on overnight, I guess, so it might be even a little dimmer than what it's capable of doing. Yeah, this is wonderful. I love this thing. I really recommend it.
So the light works really well. You can adjust these light lamps like that. You can make it, like, say if I open my book, you could turn it like this, make it to where you, wherever you want. The light goes really like bright. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then off. Also, this you can extend, you can make it taller. I like mine a little like this, and for them to be like that. The thing comes with the clip, and the button and charger are right there with the little light right there to tell you if it's running out of battery. This is what the bottom looks like. And the clip is very easy. But I would say if you have like arthritis or like movement issues in your hand, this will be a little tough for you. So this is how much it grabs. Pretty good overall. I like it. 5 out of 5.
Took this video in my bathroom just to give a depiction of what it would look like on an aircraft at night. First setting, second, third, fourth,